What is the importance of an about page for generative engine optimization and AI search? So you might be hearing quite a lot about generative engine optimization and AI search visibility recently. And to put it in simple terms, it's understanding and improving how your business is represented and recommended within models of AI such as ChatGPT and Gemini. And when you look at starting to create a strategy on how to improve your generative engine optimization, there's a few improvements and opportunities that are quite heavily weighted that will make a big difference when you're tackling your geo strategy. And one of those is a about page. So today in this video, I'm just going to walk you through the importance of an about page and some specific areas of an about page which are important to have and why. So in this example, I'm going to use AwarenessAI's about page, and I'm just going to walk you through what you should have on your about page first. So immediately you should have a about us, and you should have a little mission statement, a strategy, and anything you really care about. What you want to be thinking about is that you're giving all this information to AI, to large language models. So you want to be able to give them the right information and the most up-to-date information about yourself and your company to then promote trust from the AI model to your website. Because a big thing about AI models and generative engine optimization and having a successful geo strategy is trust. Trust is one of the 6 pillars at AwarenessAI, and why it's important is that AI systems recommend companies that they trust, and they represent companies that they trust better. Of course, they would speak about them in a better way. So when looking at how to build trust, an about page is a big thing because you're going to be giving it signals which say, you can trust us. So a signal of your mission statement is a big signal of trust. So that's the first thing which I want to highlight about your about page. Include a mission statement, include your methodology, include when you were founded, why you started, and your current strategy, basically. And then another big thing about a about page is having your team or your founder or people involved within the company. Because an AI system and large language models, they like to link people with companies for trust. If there's no face behind the brand, if there's no one attached to the brand, there's little signals for trust. But if they have a Meet Our team and they see loads of qualified people, they see a founder that has lots of qualifications, done research, for example, then it's going to increase its trust in the brand. So, for example, using myself on the AwarenessAI website, I list my name, and another really important thing is that I've got an external link there to my LinkedIn page. And now I see a lot of companies, and it's good that they have the LinkedIn pages of the people on the about page. And this is important because an AI system is going to go to that link, and it's going to prove to itself, it's going to show itself that this person that is being talked about is a real person because it's going to see its LinkedIn person, and it's going to give it third-party trust. So if you just give a little overview of your founders, your directors, your team, this is all going to increase trust. So that's most of the things about an about page. So just to recap the main points: a strategy, a mission statement, and what your company does, anything that your company prioritizes, anything that makes it stand out. Year founded, these are all very important things for freshness, which is another pillar, and trust. And then just an overview of your team with some third-party links to LinkedIn or backing any information up that you're claiming. And this is all going to increase trust and help you with your geo strategy and help improve your recommendations and representation and become the brand AI recommends. Thank you.